Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix not able to hear stream on Discord mobile. It's quite easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, open up Discord on your mobile, then press on your profile icon that is on the bottom right, and then on this window you need to press on the gear icon that is on the top right. Then on this window you need to go and look for, as you can see here, voice and voice activity. Make sure that output volume is the right one here. Then make sure that noise suppression is crisp. Also these options is enabled here, and basically make sure that this volume is not muted. And then if it's not working, what you need to do here is to go to your app store, go and look for Discord, and make sure your Discord is fully updated. So as you can see here, if it says update, just update your Discord, restart your phone, and the issue should be solved. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.